So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing error, third-party software is interfering with Roblox problem, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing you why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end and follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So first step is close suspicious background apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, then open Task Manager and tasks like FPS boosters or game boosters, unknown overlay apps, or screen recorders sometimes. Number 2, disable startup apps. Press Win plus R, then type msconfigure. Go to Startup or Services, check Hide Microsoft Services, disable unknown third-party services, restart your PC. Number 3, uninstall problematic software. Go to Control Panel, then Programs, then uninstall, remove apps like Exploit Tools, Unknown Tools, Suspicious FPS Unlockers. Number 4, turn off overlays. Disable overlays from Discord settings or overlay off. NVIDIA GeForce Experience in-game overlay off. Xbox Game Bar turn off. Number 5, reinstall Roblox clean method. Uninstall Roblox. Press Win plus R, then type local app data, delete the Roblox folder, restart PC, download fresh from official site. Number 6, disable antivirus temporary. Sometimes antivirus blocks Roblox, turn it off temporary and test. If it works, add Roblox to exceptions. I hope this helps you. Do like this video.